Hello, welcome to all. This is Kshitij Singh, and I am a software engineer, right, in a very renowned company. I will not tell my company, okay? Right. Today I'm going to start up with a new series called Collection in Java. So, before starting up the collection in Java, I'm taking as a prerequisite that you all know the basic idea behind Java and what is Java all about, right? So, collection in Java is represented to a very different topic, and this topic is very important for each and everyone who is preparing for an interview and especially for a product-based company. Whatever you talk about data structure in C and all these things, we represent that thing as collection in Java, a very systematic structured data in Java, right? Before starting this topic, we will take a systematic way of representing data in the form is called arrays, all right? So when we talk about array, so what is an array? An array is an indexed collection of data which is of homogeneous type, right? So when you say index collection of a data, it means when you store things in an array, so we have all these things, right? Like let's take this as an array and we have a particular, so each and everything is indexed, right? In the form of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is all where we keep our data, right? But there are some limitations in array because of which the Java people introduced collection in Java. Right. So first we will discuss what are the limitations of array and then we will move forward. So the first limitation of an array is that array is of fixed size. Fixed size means whatever the size, let's say the size of this array is particular 6, right? And can you increase this array? The answer is no. When you can't increase this array is a fixed size, right? Means dynamically there is nothing predefined given in Java by which way you can increase the size of an array and you can grow this array, right? So it is not growable, right? So this is the first limitation of an array. The second limitation of this array is homogeneous collection of data. Homogeneous means of same type. Same type, I mean, if you have a, let's say, int type of data, then whole array will be of int type. If you have a character type of array, then whole array is of character type, right? But what if we want a particular collection of data where some are int type and some are of character type and some are of string type? Can this happen in array? The answer is no. Again, a very common limitation in array. So we should resolve this problem. This was thought by the people who were creating something different when they were facing problems during the early ages of the Java, right? So arrays concept was never built upon any particular, let's say, it was not built upon any particular type of, uh, was not built upon any particular type of data structure. Array concept was not built any particular type of data structure. Hence, the support is not available for every requirement, so we have to switch the array concepts. To resolve all these conflicts, right, we, the Java people, brought the collection over the arrays. All right, so we will talk about the collection now. All right, Now when we talk about this collection feature, so I will give you a proper difference between all these two, right? And the difference you will see is very helpful. So on the left hand side we will talk about the arrays, and the right hand side we will talk about the collection. I know the handwriting is not good, but try to cooperate. Maybe in future it's a digital pen that I'm using right now. All right. So the first point I said that arrays is of fixed size, while collections are not of fixed size. They are growable, right? For the memory point of view, array is not recommended, right? Memory point not recommended. All right. For the memory point of view, collections are recommended. All right. When we talk about the memory point of view. All right. When we talk about the performance point of view, all right, arrays are recommended, right? But performance point of view, collections are not recommended, right? And the fourth point is homogeneous. They are they can be homogeneous as well as they can be heterogeneous. It supports both, right? Then on the next part, I will tell you that there is no underlying data structure, right? That is absent in arrays, right? So we have an underlying data structure that supports a lot of data structures we have in collection. Underlying data structure is supported in collection. So you got the difference between these two. Why we are why we introduced collection over Java in Java over array, right? While there were too many limitations in arrays and collection was brought to overcome all these limitations. All right. In our next lecture, we will talk about in depth of collection. All right. Catch you in the next lecture. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Right. Each and every day I will make these type of videos. Thank you.